Hey guys, it's David. Welcome back to another video with me here at Be More Social. Today we're going to be talking about long form strategy and specifically what long form means and how can you use it for your business and why you need it for your business, what it all means, and just run you through essentially how you can use it. So on the left hand side you're going to have your McDonald's and on the right hand side you're going to have your fruit and veg. Okay, now both of these combine. So you got your long form strategy and you got your short form strategy. Now your long form strategy is going to benefit your business because people are going to be able to find out more about your product or service. Okay, if somebody's interested in buying from you, they're going to probably want to know as much information as possible, right? So being able to provide them with a blog article on your website, or maybe that's your YouTube channel where you've got a list of loads of tutorials where people can find out who you really are, if what you say is true, and get to know you. Yeah, videos is the best way to do that, which is why we're doing this for you right now. So if we use Rick as an example, he's got a YouTube channel full of tutorial videos to help business owners grow their business and specifically using social media. He talks about tips for specific platforms. He'll take you through a day in the life of his business and how he runs it, what that looks like, if there's any updates. Sometimes vlogs are on there, podcast interviews with different business owners, and more things like that as well. So that's an example of like a long form strategy. It's something that you do on a regular basis. And it gives people the nutrition. And then on your short form stuff, okay, this is what feeds the daily content, okay? So we talk about posting consistently and posting daily if you can. Now your short form strategy is what's gonna feed that, okay? So you've got one long form video, YouTube, let's take that as an example, okay? You film a YouTube video and it's 10 minutes long, there's gonna be micro snippets you can take from that, okay? So you're gonna take a 60-second clip from this video and you're gonna post it onto your Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Okay, that 60-second video is going to reach, let's say, between 100 and 200 people, and you might get, 10% of that engaging with it, and maybe a few comments or messages off the back of it. That's what's going to feed your prospects and your customers with that fast food. Okay, that's the long form strategy in a nutshell. That's very simple, that's very basic. Now there's different ways of doing long form stuff. Landing pages, blog posts, videos. There's various different ways of doing that for your business, and there's probably going to be a specific way that you want to do it for your business. Not every strategy is the same, so make sure that you speak to your guru about exactly how you can do that and why it's important, and they will be able to help you with your strategy moving forward. Okay guys, I hope you found that useful and that it's given you some food for thought. Anyway, make sure you get that fruit and veg in your diet, along with the occasional McDonald's. We have a Fatty Friday, so it's definitely on the agenda. But if you've got any questions, please mention it to your guru and they will pass it on to me. Thanks for listening and watching, and I will speak to you soon.